Did you know that a food that may have been on your table for years can, if consumed improperly, pose serious risks to your health, and that it also holds surprising secrets that most people don't know about? Today, we're going to reveal everything about lentils, a simple but powerful ingredient that can be both an ally and an enemy, depending on how you use it. In the midst of today's fast-paced routine, many of us resort to ready meals, ultra-processed foods, and quick options to meet our dietary needs. These choices, while convenient, are often loaded with preservatives, saturated fats, and chemical additives that, in the long run, damage our health. Industrialized products are often formulated to please the palate, but they hide invisible dangers that compromise quality of life and favor the onset of chronic diseases such as diabetes, hypertension, and cardiovascular disorders. Lentils have emerged as a valuable and healthy alternative in this scenario, but like all foods, they require knowledge and care. Rich in fiber, vegetable proteins, and essential nutrients such as iron, magnesium, and potassium, it offers proven benefits for cardiovascular health, glycemic control, and intestinal function. In addition, it can be a powerful ally in promoting satiety, helping to control weight in a natural and healthy way. By consuming this superfood regularly and correctly, you can significantly improve the quality of your diet and, consequently, your health. The fiber present in lentils helps the digestive system function properly, preventing constipation and promoting intestinal health. The presence of vegetable proteins makes it an excellent choice to complement balanced diets, especially for those looking to reduce their consumption of animal proteins. Another highlight is its role in preventing chronic diseases. Iron and magnesium contribute to maintaining healthy energy levels and a healthy nervous system, while potassium helps balance sodium levels in the body, reducing blood pressure. For diabetics, lentils are a strategic food to help stabilize blood sugar levels due to their low glycemic index. As we delve into this universe of possibilities, you'll discover not only the secrets behind lentils, but also strategies for maximizing them as a key component of your diet. We'll explore healthy ways of preparing it, balanced nutritional combinations, and techniques that enhance its nutritional value, transforming a simple meal into a powerful source of health. If you're tired of relying on industrialized options and are looking for alternatives to improve your quality of life, get ready for a revealing journey about an ancient food that continues to surprise scientists and nutritionists. By the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge you need to turn lentils into a true ally for your health. Lentils are one of the oldest foods known to mankind. Archaeological discoveries indicate that its cultivation dates back more than 9,000 years, and it was widely consumed in the Middle East and regions close to the Mediterranean. Since then, this small grain has spread around the world, playing a central role in many traditional cuisines. Rich in essential nutrients, lentils contain vitamins and minerals that are fundamental to maintaining good health. Vitamin B1 thiamine, important for energy metabolism and brain function. Vitamin B6 helps with protein metabolism and the formation of neurotransmitters. Folic acid, vitamin B9, essential for the production of red blood cells and crucial during pregnancy. Iron contributes to the formation of hemoglobin, helping to transport oxygen throughout the body. Magnesium supports muscle and nerve function and contributes to bone health. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure and balance body fluids. The main benefits of lentils for the body include improved cardiovascular health thanks to its fiber and potassium content. It helps reduce blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Glycemic control, its fiber slows down the absorption of carbohydrates, stabilizing blood sugar levels. Support for the digestive system, the fibers in lentils help prevent constipation and promote a healthy intestine. Ideal for vegetarian and vegan diets, offering a healthy alternative to animal proteins. Strengthens the immune system, minerals such as iron and zinc present in lentils contribute to a more efficient immune response. Helps with weight loss by promoting satiety due to its high fiber content. Lentils can help with weight control. Prevention of anemia, the iron present in lentils is essential for combating iron deficiency in the body. With this powerful combination of nutrients and benefits, Lentils are an indispensable food for those seeking a balanced diet rich in essential substances for the human body. If you like this content and want to receive more valuable information on how to improve your health with surprising foods, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment telling us if lentils are already part of your diet and how you prepare them. In addition to this video, we have a whole series on other amazing foods that can transform your health. Once you've finished watching, check out our special playlist and discover more ways to include superfoods in your routine in a practical and efficient way. How to include lentils in your food routine. Now that you know the extraordinary benefits of this superfood, let's talk about how to practically apply it in your daily life and the results you can expect from regularly including it in your diet. Soups and stews. Lentils make an excellent base for nutritious soups. Cook it with vegetables such as carrots, sweet potatoes, and spinach for a comforting and healthy dish. Salads. Add cooked lentils to leafy green salads. They offer a rich texture and increase the protein content of the meal. Vegetarian burgers. Mix lentils with oats and spices to prepare burgers rich in vegetable protein. Garnishes. Serve cooked lentils seasoned with garlic, onion, and spices as an accompaniment to lean meats or tofu. Purees. Turn lentils into creamy purees, perfect for serving with roasted vegetables. Savory breakfasts. In some cultures, lentils are eaten early in the morning in savory dishes. Try combining them with eggs and spices for a nutritious morning meal. By incorporating lentils into your diet on a consistent basis, you can see significant results such as improved digestion. Regular fiber intake promotes healthy intestinal function. Increased energy levels. The iron and magnesium present in lentils help to combat tiredness. Reduces blood pressure. Potassium helps balance sodium levels in the body. Body weight control. The satiety provided by lentils can help prevent overeating. Blood sugar stabilization. Ideal for those who need to manage their glycemic index. Include lentils in your routine and turn your diet into a real act of healthcare. With this powerful combination of nutrients and benefits, lentils are an indispensable food for those seeking a balanced diet rich in essential substances for the human body. If you like this content and want to receive more valuable information on how to improve your health with surprising foods, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment telling us if lentils are already part of your diet and how you prepare them. I hope this video has convinced you to start eating more lentils in your daily life. It's with small habits that we can make big changes in our lives. Share this video with your family member who needs to start eating healthier. I'm sure it will be very useful. Don't forget to leave a like so I can bring you more informative videos. See you later.